That's what she gets right there.
So the physical dash buttons kind of suck, but the virtual ones. Alright, what are we gonna do?
Get some more kickstart.
What kind do you want to do?
Blood orange.
I think I want to do mango.
Okay.
Let's do one of each. Our first order on Dash. Wanna go get something to eat? Wanna go to Farm Boys?
Time for an omelet. Yes.
We're about to go get food. Education.
I guess I can't go, can I?
No, unless you wanna run over a kid.
You know.
Farmer Boys.
Thank you for choosing Farmer Boys. This is Jessica. How can I help you?
Hi, could I get a bacon boy with no onions, please?
And what kind of drink did you want?
Could I get a cookies and cream milkshake?
I'm sorry?
Could I get a cookies and cream milkshake, please?
I still can't hear you. Well, why don't you go ahead and pull up to the window and I'll take care of you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Oh, you want a shake instead?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Anything else?
Could I also get the veggie omelet?
Okay.
Could I also get a chocolate shake with that?
Another chocolate shake?
The other one's cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream?
Yeah.
So you want another shake?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That should be it.
That's it? Okay.
Yeah.
$5.92. All right, I need your signature on this one. Thank you. And we'll get those shakes out and the food out, okay?
Thank you.
All right, here's the burger.
Thank you.
And here is your veggie omelet.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
And we're home.
All the food.
All the food. To the inside.
That omelet though.
Mmm.
Yes.
You being a big puffer? You're sleepy. Getting ready for bed.
Yeah. Lotioning up because Bakersfield skin is ill.
It's raining again. Seems like it's always raining now. Does this mean it's gonna be foggy soon?
Toodaloo. Are you watching Friends with me?